what's going on? So today I'm filming this right after I did my beautiful sequentials and my stubby antenna. I don't know which one I'm going to go first, but if I do this one first, then I'm going to do sequentials and a stubby antenna. But if it's after, I already did it, so go watch it. Don't know which order I'm putting these in, but today I finally got whatever focus owner needs for their downpipe, which is a defouler. And basically what that does is, if you have a catless downpipe, it tricks your car into thinking that you don't, so you don't get a check engine light. So you get rid of that code, which is everyone's most hated code. So all it does, like I said, is trick it. And I got this one from Blocks Racing. Yeah, pretty generic. This little piece, threads into the downpipe, and your sensor threads into the top. Pretty good. It's my first time ordering from them, and it's pretty good, fast shipping, and it was packaged very well. All you're going to need for this is obviously your O2 sensor, your downpipe, and if it's in the car, you could use an adjustable wrench. It's tight in there, so I don't like using a spark plug socket, or not spark plug, an O2 sensor socket, but you can. Adjustable wrench. Or if you hate these, which many people do, I've gotten attacked for using these, my bad. You can use a 7/8 or a 22 mil wrench to get it off. And if your downpipe's been on there for a while, in salty conditions, spray that with some WD-40. Obviously, jack stands, that type of stuff. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, jack the car up. We're gonna get under the car, and we're gonna start throwing this in. It should be a quick install, maybe 15 minutes. So, yeah, I'll just cut to under the car. All right, so we're under the car, and right there is your sensor. Well, mine is. I had to extend my downpipe, so she's tucked a little bit. So we're just gonna rip this guy off, and to take it off, in case you guys are directionally challenged like I am, you're gonna go up, if that helps you out. So up towards the engine bay will loosen your sensor. Just FYI. Oh my gosh, that's dark. Cool. So that's off. Now we have our sense little piece. And obviously, it realistically only goes one way. And you're just gonna thread that in. And then once it's threaded in, you're gonna thread your sensor in, clear your codes, and you'll be all good. So, alright, after tightening, let's get in there. That's kind of what we're gonna be looking like. So you see it comes off, the sensor plugs in into your downpipe, and you're good. That's pretty much it. And it's just going to eliminate that code for your downpipe. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty quick install. As far as the sensor, it is just a little annoying because it is cramped in there, but a 22 or a 7/8 adjustable, some WD-40, you know what, you'll be all right. So let's get the car back down on the ground. All right, so that's pretty much the install. Like I said, super quick, super easy. That's all there is to it. The only thing left that I guess I could show you guys is if you have an access port, which I'm mainly for a focus, but this will take any code away from catless downpiped cars. You pretty much need to buy it. So pretty much you're just going to go in here. You're going to go to troubleshoot. You're going to read your codes, right? I have 2 codes, but you know, this one's for an evap leak I'm working on, but this one's a P0420. So, you know, all you're going to do is come in here and you're going to delete your codes, clear all active and pending codes. And that is going to get rid of your check engine light for your catless downpipe. And you should be good. After that, still gonna wait, let it do its thing. But it's definitely a must, especially, you know, passing emissions and all that other stuff. Getting inspection done, I believe, if you're in a state that does that. I just hate having codes on my dash. It's pretty annoying. So that's pretty much all you're gonna do. It is a really simple install, and I think the one from Blocks Racing is fairly cheap. So yeah, let me see how much it is. Defouler. It's really cheap. It was $12 from Blocks Racing, and it came in 3 days. So yeah, I have no complaints on it. It's super easy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys for watching, and that's it. See you guys in the next one.